What did you learn in the previous classes, children? Properties of air and importance of air. Children, take out your course book. Properties of air, children. Air occupies space. Examples, polythene cover bags. Air has weight. Example, deflated and inflated balloons. Experiment. And air expert pressure. Example, water glass, water, cardboard, experiment. And air moves from one place to another place. Example, water bottle, balloon, straw, experiment. Next, children, importance of air. First importance of air, children. Without air, there is no life on the earth. Examples, photosynthesis and respiration. Air supports burning of things. Example, the flame of the candle in the tumbler, experiment. Next, air propagates sounds. Example, how do the sounds from a TV reach our ears? Experiment. Next, children, air can make things move. Example, sailboat, windmill, moving air. Moving air is called wind. Parachute examples. Next, atmospheric air enables some device to work, which in turn make our living comfortable. Example, a straw to drink liquids, an air pump to inflate tires, and hand pump to draw underground water, and syringe and dropper. Next, importance of air, children. Smell spreads through air in all directions. Example, spray some perfumes or incense sticks. Next, children, without air, there is neither water cycle nor rains. Example, water cycle. Next, importance of air, children. We can play some musical instrument with the help of air only. Example, musical instruments. Now I am going to tell you about composition of air, children. Children, look at the board. Air is made up of gases like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, other gases 1%, children. In 0.03% carbon dioxide. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. The major components, nitrogen and oxygen, are in the ratio of 4:1. Okay, children, understood? The major components, nitrogen and oxygen, are in the ratio of 4:1 approximately. Okay, children, understood? In which percentage of nitrogen in air, children? 78%. Which percentage of oxygen in air, children? 21%, children. Which percentage of other gases? 1%. In which percentage of carbon dioxide, children? 0.03%. Nitrogen and oxygen are in the ratio of 4:1, children. Okay, children, where is air? Air is present everywhere around us. It is like a blanket or a layer around the surface of the earth. This layer of air is called atmosphere. It is about 500 to 1000 kilometers thick. What is atmosphere, children? One layer around the surface of the earth. This layer of air is called atmosphere. Children, air is the name we give to the mixture of gases which make up the earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers. How many layers, children? 5 layers. Starting from the ground and moving towards the sky, the layers of the atmosphere are categorized as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Children, how many layers children? Starting from the ground and moving towards the sky, 5 layers. What are they? First one troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth one thermosphere, fifth one exosphere. The bottom of the atmosphere, where most of the life on the earth exists, in the troposphere, with an average thickness of 10 to 12 kilometers. This is where we live, breathe in air, clouds develop, birds fly and changes in atmosphere takes place. There is no exact place where the air in the atmosphere ends. The higher we go from the surface of the earth, the lesser the air is. Children, observe this picture. What do you see in this picture? A TV reporter is presenting a forecast about several aspects of weather such as temperature, cloudiness, humidity, showers, whether a storm is likely in the next few days, etc. This is a weather forecast. Children, this is weather report. Today, observe your TV channel at home. Children, observe this picture. The sun heats up the atmosphere and the oceans. But this heating effect is not even due to the movement of the earth. Why do these changes happen? As a result, air currents and ocean currents are formed because of the difference in temperatures. These changes keep the atmosphere and oceans in constant motion, and their interactions play a critical role in shaping the weather and climate. What is the difference between weather and climate, children? Weather is the state of atmosphere at any given time and place. It is the mix of events that happens each day in the atmosphere at a place. The state of atmosphere at a given place may not be stable even during the same day. It may change within a few hours. Climate is the generally weather pattern of a place for over many years. It gives the overall picture of weather in a particular region for a certain time period, seasons, or for years altogether. Okay children, understood? Difference between weather and climate? Children, look at these pictures. Weather conditions can be represented by some symbols as shown here. What is the first symbol? Sun. Sun symbol shown here, sunny day. Next picture, clouds. This symbol, cloudy day. Next picture, see here children, rain. What is this picture children? Rain. This picture shown here, rainy day. Next picture, see here children. This picture shown here, thunders. See here children, what is this picture? Snow. This picture shown here, snowy day. What is the next picture children? Partially clouds is here. Here sun and cloud also. This picture shown here, partially cloudy day. Next, observe this picture children. This is a windy. Next picture children, cyclone. Children, once again observe these symbols: sunny, cloudy, rainy, thunders, snowy, partly cloudy, windy, cyclone. Climate is what you expect, weather is what you get. Okay, children, understood these pictures? Okay, children, today discuss about composition of air. Learn and write at home these 5 layers spellings. What is the first one? Troposphere. Troposphere spelling Troposphere. Troposphere. Once again repeat, children. Troposphere. Troposphere. Next one, children. Stratosphere. 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 Third one, mesosphere. 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 Fourth one, thermosphere. 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 Fifth one, exosphere. Exosphere. Okay, children, learn and write at home these 5 layers spellings. Thank you, children. Tomorrow I will meet in the next class.